Hey everyone, Hakan from the Web News team here. Thank you very much for joining us again in this channel. So, do you want to spruce up your Mac calendar views to keep up with the design trends? Then watch this video to learn how the Fluent View add-on unlocks new and exciting calendar and even page views. Once you've installed the add-on, a bunch of new options are added to various sections, including calendar shortcodes and the single event page. First, we'll go over how to change the single event page template to the Fluent View. Let's head to the Mac settings page and then navigate to the single event tab. Usually, you'd only see the default and modern style options on the single event style drop-down, but with this add-on installed, we have a Fluent style added as well. Hit Save Changes and refresh our event page to see what happens. Now, the event page looks more stylish and truly modern. This is how the add-on influences the event page, but it also adds a Styles section that can be found under the Appearance menu. Here you can determine the color palette used in the view, and you can disable the height limitation, and most convenient of all, change the background color with a simple click. So, the next section is Calendar View shortcodes that have all received the new Fluent style. As you can see in my test shortcode, the List View skin now has a Fluent style as well. I'll choose it and hit Update to see how the calendar page looks now. Now, the calendar page reflects the Fluent design for the List View. We can choose other skins as well, depending, on our business, like for example the Grid View. A popular shortcode given the topper options is the full calendar, which has also received the Fluent design. It's brilliant. All the skins listed here have received a fresher style that's sure to give your calendar website an updated look without needing to use any CSS. Last but not least, I want to showcase, is the slider view. Alright, overall, the Fluent View Layouts add-on is a simple plugin that unlocks new event page and calendar shortcode designs for you and offers the option to change the event page background from the settings without any coding. Hope you found this video useful and look forward to reading your thoughts and questions down below in the comment section, and definitely about the add-on. So, see you in the next video.